Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this no-bake layered strawberry cake. This is basically done with layers of strawberry, Maria cookies, heavy whipping cream with sweetened condensed milk, and also some shredded white chocolate in there. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. So we're gonna be using white chocolate, Maria cookies, about 1.5 pounds of strawberries, heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, and a little bit of milk. Start by cleaning and chopping the strawberries into small pieces. Next, whip 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. You can do this by using a hand whisk, but an electric mixer makes it a lot easier. Once the whipping cream starts to thicken, it's time to add the condensed milk. Start by adding half a can first. Continue to whip until nice and thick. Taste and adjust to the desired sweetness by adding more condensed milk if needed. Add about a cup of milk to a deep plate. We're gonna be dipping the Maria cookies in the milk as we layer the cake. Now let's start on the layers. I'm using an 8-inch square dish. First, start with a layer of strawberries. Then, cover it with a layer of the whipped cream. Next, add a layer of the Maria cookies. Quickly dip them in the milk first. Add another layer of whipped cream. Then another layer of strawberries. Then another layer of Maria cookies. Another layer of whipped cream. There is really no right or wrong when it comes to the layers, and you can layer them in whatever order you wish. I just recommend having at least 4 layers of Maria cookies. Finish it up with another layer of the whipped cream. And I like to top it with some shaved white chocolate. Refrigerate the cake for at least 3 hours before serving. This cake makes for a quick and super tasty dessert, similar to a trifle or a strawberry tiramisu. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.